Cambridgeshire Fire and Rescue is an emergency service here in the UK. I'm the project manager for the STEP development here in Cambridgeshire Fire and Rescue. STEP stands for Service Transformation and Efficiency Programme. The efficiency programme really is all about trying to make efficiencies in the back office, trying to save money, so that we can redirect those funds to the sharp end, to the firefighters, the operational crews.
We had to find ways of becoming more cost-effective and cheaper without sacrificing operational integrity. As a BPM developer, I am responsible for implementing business process solutions using IBM BPM. One concept that excites us is smarter process. So not just process improvement by replacing a spreadsheet for a form, but by automating certain processes.
Our business analysts go out and together with the process owners, the stakeholders, they determine the as-is process, how we do things now. They model that in IBM Blueworks Live, and then together with the development team and myself, we translate that into something that you can then develop in BPM on cloud, or IBM BPM. We're in our 5th year, and we've done 16 end-to-end processes in BPM, and now we've started to use BPM on cloud. Typically, we found on those processes we save between 60 and 90% time-saving efficiencies. So that means literally, something that took a week to process, or a process that took a week to perform, now only takes a day or perhaps a matter of hours. BPM on cloud was revelationary, really, for us. The developers have found the process of developing smarter processes on IBM BPM on cloud much more flexible. It allows us to get to the business process rather than having to worry about the administration of a computer system, for example.
So I think it's fair to say we're a small team, so there's a lot of work to be done, and one of the biggest pressures is actually prioritising and delivering rapidly. What BPM Cloud allows us to do is stop worrying about the infrastructure. It allows us to focus on our business and delivering better business processes, and that will reflect as better public service.
We've already got a plan to move all of our in-house smarter processes up onto the cloud. We just feel that's the future. It's more flexible. It's certainly a lot faster to develop on. But equally, and perhaps even more importantly, we can collaborate with not just the back office stuff, and not even with just the incident control rooms. We can do the mobilising system as well, and the mobilising system is the system that literally sends the firefighters out to the incidents. It also has opened up possibilities of collaboration with other emergency services. We're not in isolation. We have several collaborations ongoing with different fire and rescue services, for example. But actually what we can do with those processes is kind of go out to other fire and rescue services and say, look what we've done, look at the efficiencies we've managed. There's almost zero startup costs, right, for doing smarter process on cloud. So, do you want to join us? If every other fire and rescue service used the same or common business process, we could make huge efficiencies across the country.
So we've improved our people-based processes, and that's provided a better foundation on which to build other processes. And those sorts of processes could be, for example, community prevention, community safety, that sort of thing. And they are a step towards operations and operational support. So the thing that excites me most, perhaps, about process improvement and the use of BPM is just how much there is to do, and the way in which by addressing small improvements bit by bit, you can suddenly turn around and realise that you've reaped huge rewards.